Welcome to our journey through the pages of history. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, welcome to our journey through the annals of history as we explore the lives and legacies of four of the most influential rulers in Roman history. These remarkable leaders have left an indelible mark on the Roman Empire and, in many ways, have shaped the course of Western civilization. Our odyssey begins with the first emperor of Rome, Augustus. Augustus, the architect of an empire. Augustus, originally known as Gaius Octavius, rose to power during a time of political turmoil in Rome. Through astute diplomacy, military prowess, and an unwavering commitment to the welfare of his people, Augustus transformed the Roman Republic into the Roman Empire. His reign laid the foundation for an era of unprecedented peace and prosperity. Known as Pax Romana, Augustus's visionary leadership and statecraft continue to inspire leaders to this day. Julius Caesar, the conqueror of hearts and lands. Julius Caesar, the brilliant military strategist and charismatic politician, left an indelible mark on Rome. His campaigns in Gaul expanded Roman territories, and his efforts to reform the Roman Republic forever altered the political landscape. Caesar's assassination in 44 BC set the stage for a series of civil wars, but also paved the way for the eventual transition to imperial rule. Trajan, the expander of horizons. Trajan, renowned for his exceptional military campaigns and dedication to public works, presided over a period of territorial expansion and prosperity. His conquest of Dacia and successful campaigns in the East solidified his legacy as one of Rome's most successful emperors. Under Trajan's rule, the Roman Empire reached its greatest territorial extent. Constantine the Great, the unifier and visionary. Constantine the Great, the first Roman emperor to embrace Christianity, brought about a significant shift in the Roman world. His Edict of Milan in 313 AD granted religious tolerance, and his founding of Constantinople as a new capital marked a monumental change. Constantine's conversion to Christianity has had a lasting impact on the world, and his victory at the Battle of the Milvian Bridge played a pivotal role in his rule. In conclusion, the legacies of Augustus, Julius Caesar, Trajan, and Constantine the Great are imprinted on the pages of history. These leaders not only shaped the destiny of Rome, but also influenced the trajectory of Western civilization. Their leadership, strategic vision, and dedication to the betterment of their empires continue to inspire and captivate us. As we journey through the pages of history, we gain a deeper understanding of the transformative power of leadership. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the remarkable rulers who left their mark on the Roman Empire and, by extension, on the world as we know it today. Content like this will continue if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it if our content piques your interest. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. You can write your suggestions, questions, and what you'd like to convey in the comments or reach out to us through our email addresses. History is enchanting.